Hello, dear friends. Good morning to all of you. Once again, I am before you to take a class on poster making. Now, the question comes, what is a poster? A poster is a powerful piece of writing that speaks to the viewers more than words. It comprises of both pictorial representation of the topic as well as written content of the topic. It is prepared in keeping in mind the target audience. A poster is a kind of announcement, information, appeal, or an advertisement of a product. It is also used for bringing awareness on a particular issue of public interest. A poster has the ability to draw the attention of public in the twinkling of an eye. Now, let me tell you that there are two kinds of posters. First, first one is informative poster and the second one is subjective posters. Here we will focus on informative posters. Informative posters are custom posters that spread awareness and information on certain issues and problems. After this, we will try to know what are the things that need some importance while we are going to make a poster. Now, in a poster, some of the things are very important to be highlighted. What are those points? What are those things? Let me tell you all those things one by one. If you look at the platform, you can see that these are the points. These points are very important while you are designing the poster. So let me tell you all the things one by one. First of all, a poster should be very catchy and full of designing. Catchy means it must be able to attract the attention of the viewers, of the public. Add a slogan or tagline. Slogan means some quotation, some proverbs, or some important line. As you have seen in the film Diwar, मेरे पास माँ है. That was a famous tagline. Similarly, in a poster, there must be a tagline or some quotation. Include important details in brief in a constructive way. While you are designing a poster, for why you are designing a poster? Why are you creating a poster? So try to include all the important details. After that, imagination and creativity must be seen in the poster. Actually, imagination is the backbone of a poster. That's why you should be very careful while you are designing a poster. After that, a poster must be visually attractive and readable from distance. Generally, what happens in this modern age, nobody has any time to stay for a moment and look at the matter very seriously. That's why it is the duty of the creator while he is designing a poster, it must be readable from distance. If people are going somewhere, they should be able to read the poster in no time, in the twinkling of an eye. Then, if possible, draw a meaningful picture. If possible, from your side. If there is a picture in the poster, it would be very beneficial for the viewers. After this, now we are going to know how a poster is designed. As I told you, some of the important tips, they help us in designing a good poster. Now I am going to show you some examples through which you will be able to design a poster for your examination. Go through the question on the blackboard. The question is design a poster for the inter-house dance competition that Azad group of your school is hosting. Now this is the answer, this is the poster, and the poster is given inside the box. Look at the poster, inter-house dance competition. There are two pictures which is an essential part of a poster. The date is given here 27 April 2020 and the time is 10 am onwards. Here is the name of organizers Azad Group Government Higher Secondary School Chichola. And the most important thing, as I told you, the quotation, some tagline. Dance is the hidden language of the soul. Now, the poster is completed. Remember, this question carried 4 marks. And if you are designing a poster very carefully, then you will get 4 marks on this question. Apart from that previous example, I am going to give you one more example on poster designing. Look at here. The question is design a poster promoting cause of save water. This is the heading, save water, save life. No water, no life. And there is the picture of a tap and the water is wasting. So there is a cross mark on this picture. It means there must not be the wastage of water at all. Then a quotation is given there. Count every drop. Every drop is important. So dear students, in a poster, what you have to do? You have to follow some of the important tips. Give a picture, give a quotation, and all important details. Okay, only these things will provide you 4 marks for examination. So never try to forget to design a poster in your examination. So thanks a lot to all of you, and we will meet very soon taking another class. And till that moment, thanks a lot to all of you.